From this reality, you have a similar frequency, you give your thoughts, emotion, and you're shifting to the next one. And then you're shifting to the next one accordingly. If you give the same or similar vibration of your thoughts, emotion, and deeds, but you're creating, because of this, a timeline. If you keep giving the same frequency of emotion, could be sadness, for example, the next reality that you're creating and you're shifting into, because your hologram is accordingly to the same emotion that you end up giving off in this reality in the first place. So if you continue being sad, then the next one that you're giving off from here is going to go the same. And that's how you're creating the timeline, and you're crystallizing a timeline, because you're constantly staying in the same negative emotion from moment to moment to moment, and you're co-creating parallel Earths, another parallel Earth, and another parallel Earth, depending on the same frequency that you've been giving off moment to moment to moment. If you want to change that timeline, you have to raise your vibration of thoughts that are positive and stay on that moment to moment to moment. So you end up going from this momentum that is negative, now you're shifting to something positive, and you're shifting yourself from this parallel reality to this one, but that is based on the outcome will be completely positive. Why? Because you end up shifting the momentum from this reality in a completely different frequency of your thoughts and emotion in order to go into another reality that is with a better outcome. Now if you keep up with the positive, now you're creating another reality and another reality accordingly to the positive emotion. And if you keep staying moment to moment to moment with the same positive emotion, now you're creating a timeline of outcomes that are based on positive. And remember a bylaw: you cannot think of something in a quantum structure if you don't know the vibration of that structure already. That means you cannot think of that reality if you don't know the vibration of this reality already that exists somewhere in the quantum field of your timeline. And why is that? Because there's no time. That means that all these parallel realities existing at the same time. Almost like you're watching a TV and every single channel is running at the same time. But the shifting is happening accordingly to your emotion, thoughts, and deeds, because the emotion, the thought, and the deed has a specific frequency that you're resonating on.